Hey man, don't talk about my phone, man. It's nighttime, y'all, but you can see the water. It's a little river with motherfucking restaurants on both sides. But it's cool. It's kind of tight. I'm digging. I'm looking all in this dirty ass water, make sure I don't fall. But man, I'm finna get some of these dirty ass tacos from these Mexican people, you know.
And he's gonna get anal raped.
Man, fuck that gay shit he talking about. Gonna get us some senoritas, muchachas, drink some Coronas. Soul's probe today, people, so that's what that's about. Anal probe.
That's some bullshit.
By the cops. Got pulled over. They thought he had ecstasy pills in his ass. I told him to stop, but they wouldn't. Raped him down. He's walking bow-legged now. She's pretty. Can't see her though. It's dark. I need a new phone. I'm not your daddy. I'm your grandpa, man. It's crooked, not cricket. Keep it real. It's a little Mexico here. Look. We're the only black people down here. Chapooch. Okay, got a little light now.
Little dinner thing.
Well, they closed the bridge up. Yeah, this looks like some waiting type restaurants. I want some walk in and get served.
Depending on which one you go to.